Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks fell on Tuesday, the first trading day of the week, as a rally that drove the market to levels not seen in more than a year took a breather. Investors are coming off a strong week, with the S&P 500 hitting its highest level since April 2022. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite posted their best weekly performances since March, with the broad market benchmark rising 2.6% and the tech-heavy index adding 3.25%. It was also the S&P 500's fifth positive week in a row, a first since November 2021, and the Nasdaq's eighth consecutive positive week, a feat it previously accomplished in 2019. However, last night, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.72%, the S&P 500 slid 0.47%, while the Nasdaq Composite declined 0.16%. Decliners outpaced advances on the Tuesday New York Stock Exchange, 2.2 to 1 on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Intel, Nike and Boeing dragged on the Dow, each down by more than 3%. Home builders outperformed following a stronger than expected housing report. Pulte Group, D.R. Horton and Lennar were each higher by more than 1%. Elsewhere, Nvidia also bucked the trend, up more than 2%, while the major indexes sagged. An electric vehicle startup, Rivian, has reached an agreement with Tesla to expand charging access for Rivian drivers by granting them the ability to use Tesla's superchargers in the US and Canada starting in 2024, while also incorporating Tesla's charging port configuration in future Rivian models from 2025 onwards. Traders absorbed May US housing starts data that topped estimates. There was 1.63 million starts last month, higher than the 1.3 million housing starts expected by economists polled by Dow Jones. In crypto news, Bitcoin broke through the 28,000 barrier to hit its highest trading close since May 7, fueled by positive industry news and a 5% increase from the previous day, as it continued its upward trend, up 70% for the year. Investors will now look towards a quarterly report from shipping giant FedEx after the closing bell. Overall, all US sectors closed lower except for consumer discretionary. Energy was the biggest laggard. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. Thank you for listening.